Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a blank slide for your presentations on LibreOffice Impress in 2026. So let us dive into this. So let me go with that example presentation here with the slides to the left. And as you can see, the first one is not empty, it is not blank, it has a background and a title that can be filled with text and a subtitle here. So if you'd like to include a blank slide, what you need to do is click into one of your slides here to the left with your right mouse. But instead of choosing new slide, click into layout and choose blank slide. And now, as you can see, the content has been removed from that slide and all that remains is a blank slide, of course, with the in alignment with the template. So if you're working with a presentation template, the background will basically stay, but all the additional content like text boxes, titles, headings, and so on and so forth, images will be removed. Of course, if you start with without the template, but with a new presentation, for example, here in the top left corner, you will be given the opportunity. Let me do that here, for instance. Skip these templates and do the same. Right click into your slide, hover mouse over layout and select blank slide, and now you have a blank empty page like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.